This video demonstrates workflow number 4, process parts and generate sales quote, and highlights automated sales quote generation capabilities, including the automated processing of incoming requests for quote RFQ CAD drawings and specifications. This workflow automatically imports and analyzes each sheet metal CAD part, enabling accurate time and material cost calculations based on actual production costs and manufacturing requirements. By automating the evaluation of part geometry, material usage, and manufacturing processes, the system generates precise and timely sales quotes with minimal manual intervention. This not only improves quoting accuracy and response times, but also increases quoting capacity, enabling manufacturers to pursue more sales opportunities and drive revenue growth. Step 4.1 begins with automated sales opportunity generation, which automates the creation of sales opportunities by managing incoming requests for quote submissions and streamlining the entire quoting workflow. This includes automating the key steps required to process requests for quotes, generating sales quotes, and effectively manage opportunities throughout the sales cycle. Step 4.2 provides automated CAD part analysis of complete sheet metal part parameters to serve as a foundation for manufacturability testing, automated routing, bend program, and sales quote generation. Step 4.3 features automated routing generation, a capability that analyzes CAD part parameters and matches them to optimal manufacturing processes, bend processes, and machine tool parameters to produce optimized routing steps, including accurate time and material cost roll-ups. Step 4.4 enables automated sales quote generation by combining automated CAD part analysis with automated routing generation to produce accurate, timely sales quotes based on actual labor, routing, and material cost roll-ups. This ensures that quotes are generated using real manufacturing data, improving pricing accuracy, consistency, and response times.